masarap yung elevator na.
Tito Diego, ito na ang pinakakantay nating moment of the day.
Masaya nga dahil tinuturuan ni Chef si Mio gumawa ng dessert.
Wow!
Pero siyempre ang feature ngayon ni Chef is a
Ito yung bida
pasta
natin.
wheel inspired dishes, diba?
Yes.
So ano ba ang gagawin natin ngayon, Chef?
So we're going to make pasta wheel, pasta Ruota wheel, cheese wheel.
Pasta Ruota.
It's imported from Italy pa.
And this is roughly about 67, 70 pounds?
Yes, yes.
Diba? 70 pounds.
For
70
the
pound Parmesan,
Parmesan
cheese
cheese,
wheel.
yes.
Yan. And anong dish isi-share mo sa amin na ginawa mo dito?
So gumawa tayo ng 3 different toppings.
Okay, ano ba
One
yung
is my personal favorite, yung smoked bacon natin.
smoked
Ito yung mabango
The
kanina.
other one is the truffle.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yung truffle natin.
Of course,
yung mushroom truffle.
ever popular truffle.
And yung
Ito,
favorite ni Sir
Yung-
Diego,
yung ano to, bacon.
yung sun-dried pesto.
Oy, sun-dried pala yan.
Pagkasarap-sarap.
Pero ito, this one,
Yeah.
so yung toppings is yung bacon, is yung truffle, pesto, and sun-dried tomato.
Yes,
Ang ginawa
yun yung
na.
toppings natin.
Oo.
And yung the whole ingredients natin, so meron tayong yung culinary cream natin, unsalted butter, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic, cloves, yung mince na natadtad na natin, fettuccine pasta, parsley for garnish, salt and pepper to taste, and syempre yung ano natin, cheese wheel natin.
Oo,
So,
very,
From Italy pa talaga
very
ito.
expensive and very
And
heavy.
it's
cheese wheel.
authentic talaga.
Authentic. Tapos, ayan.
Ano ba gawin
Yes.
to, Chef? Yung ating cheese wheel
So,
pasta.
Game.
So, game. We start with our pasta, of course. Then put some oil and salt. Yung oil, para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. Yung salt is to add extra flavor and to make the water more mainit. Mas mataas yung temperature
Yes.
niya. So that's the reason why naglalagay talaga ng salt. Then yan, from time to time, yan na natin siya. Haluin natin. Then, okay. After that, start na tayo with our sauce. White sauce natin sa Alfredo sauce. Olive oil. Start tayo olive oil para hindi masunog yung butter natin. Then yung unsalted butter. Then we add our garlic. Then our... Okay, saute lang natin siya ng konti. Huwag natin i-toast. So, add natin yung culinary cream natin. And Parmesan cheese.
Yan ang galing sa cheese
Yes,
wheel.
galing din sa cheese wheel. Salt and pepper to taste. Yun yung pinaka-last natin dyan.
Ito pala yung
Then-
pasta na kinain ko
Yes,
kanina.
habang mainit pa yung sauce natin or the pan.
Anong kinain linamon mo kay
Tikim lang yun.
Sige.
Tikim lang.
Ah,
There you go.
okay, sorry.
On the spot. Okay, guys.
Oh.
So, diretso na natin yung pasta natin.
Ay, ito na. Oh.
Kikay kanya habang ginagawa ko yan, tumitikim. Scrape na natin yung Parmesan wheel natin.
Kaya fresh siya.
Then,
Fresh from the wheel.
Yes.
Wow.
Then, i-mix na natin yung hot pasta natin. There you go. Then,
Talagang dyan mo na sa cheese wheel ginagawa
Yes.
ito.
So,
Sarap nito.
Naging trend kasi sa ano to, Italy, Ikay eh.
Talagang on the wheel itself.
Ayan, plate natin. Ayan yung truffle, mushroom
So,
truffle
ito
natin.
yung truffle na
Yes.
pasta. So, iba-iba naman toppings siya.
Ibang
Pero
toppings.
isa lang ang base mo.
Yes, yung base natin is our
Culinary cream
culinary
and
cream. Yeah.
freshly
Alfredo sauce.
grated Parmesan.
Then we add our focaccia bread.
So, this is the truffles. And yan yung sun-dried. Ito yung sun-dried. So, isa-isa
Yes.
natin.
Yan, sun-dried natin with
this
the
one
pesto.
This one is the sun-dried with the pesto.
Oh, yes.
And katabi nito is
Yung
next.
mushroom truffle
Let's
natin.
move on to the next. Oh, yan.
There you go.
Ayan, yan.
Tapos,
Para may thrill.
Yan ang truffle. And then beside the truffle,
Yung smoked bacon na.
smoked bacon.
Yummy. Pagkasarap-sarap na bacon.
Tapos itong dessert yung ginawa ni Mio.
Yes, yung ginawa ni Mio.
Ano bang pangalan yan, Chef, yung dessert natin?
Gumawa tayo ng choco banana stack.
No,
Wonton stack. So it's made from wonton wrapper.
Ano to?
wonton
Whipped cream,
wrapper,
tapos banana.
cream.
Yes, whipped
And
cream.
chocolate drizzle.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, that's how I like my morning.
Very good.
Social mornings. Social mornings. Start the week
Oo,
right.
starting it right. Chef, paano ka ba makokontak ng ating mga kasangbahay?
Kung gusto niyo ma-experience yung Parmesan wheel natin na pasta rota, mag-visit kayo sa Mercato Central every Wednesday to Saturday, 5:30 p.m. till 3 a.m.
5:30 p.m.
Yes.
to 3 a.m.
And for catering services, you can visit our Facebook page, Instagram, Pasta Ruota. And you can email also us dyan sa screen. Medyo mahaba siya.
Samba.
So,
Samba.
Yung email natin is
Yeah.
Capolin. Yeah, there go. Then
Ano
our
to, ano?
contact numbers. Yeah.
Okay.
Then our contact number,
Oh.
0916-6980347. Look for Ses Conchada.
Ses Conchata.
Yes.
I'm sure marami sa ating mga kababayan ang gustong makatry niyan.
Yes.
Yung ating
And,
sa Mitch.
pwede ba ako bumate?
Go
Siyempre.
So, okay. Binabati ko lang yung Pasta Rota family natin, si Baby Lucas, Gray, Basti, and Sub. At yung mga beautiful boss natin, si Miss Paula, Miss Ces, and Mama Tessie. And yung mga master natin sa Pasta Rota, si Master Jerome and Ryan.
Masters!
Yes, mga masters natin.
Masters
and
of
happy
disaster.
birthday kay Albert Umpad. And shout out sa Goruta Brothers.
Master of the-
And hello kay Tita Marlene. Nanonood sila lahat ngayon.
Good morning!
Good morning, everyone. And of course, thank you guys. Thank you for having me, Sir Hero. Sana hindi kayo magsawa.
Hayaan mo, Chef, hindi kami nagsasawa, lalo na ako.
Ganito naman lagi.
Oo, basta may pagkain, hindi rin
Pag-uusapan
magsasawa.
tayong matindi.
Maraming salamat, Chef
Okay.
JV Bautista, para sa ating breakfast today.